Welcome back, everybody. I am in the mood for a barbecue chicken flatbread on the Blackstone Griddle. Stay tuned. Let's give it a try. Chicken breast, look at that, nice and thin, which is what we want. If they weren't thin from the grocery store, I would just butterfly those and make them thin. You don't want to have gigantic bites. You want them to be tiny. That looks just about perfect. A little bit of avocado oil on the chicken. And I think we'll use Blackstone's Parmesan Ranch. This will work nice. Mix that around a little bit. Make sure I get some on all the pieces of chicken. I have my Blackstone preheated. A little more avocado oil. Down with a little bit of chopped garlic. Get that sizzling. And down with my seasoned chopped chicken breast. You see, my garlic is already starting to burn, so I'm not going to goof around. We're going to put that right in the middle of the chicken. I might need to go down to a lower heat. I'm going to use a mixture of Monterey Jack, sharp cheddar. Picked up these artesian flatbreads. I've seen Betty and CJ use these in the past, but I've never used them. Gonna go top side down, try to get these warmed up and get a little bit of a toast on them. After a few minutes, should be able to go in and give that a flip. Look at that. That looks really, really nice. See, good color on there. I'm gonna come down below. I'm gonna turn this middle burner off. We're gonna make sure we're on low and low. Gonna go in with a sweet barbecue sauce. Pick a barbecue sauce that you like. In for the Monterey Jack. Sharp cheddar. In for those small pieces of chicken. Fresh pineapple. Red onion, I love red onion. Cheese is starting to melt. Let's go underneath and check the bottom of the flatbread. A little bit of water under the hood, create a little steam. And after a minute or so, it's looking absolutely incredible. A little bit of fresh cilantro at the end, just like that. Drizzle a little more of the barbecue sauce on top, and you can even hit it up with a little baby dusting of the Parmesan Ranch. And take a look at that. Let's cut this thing up. About triangles might work. Some kind of a triangle. I'm not sure. Yeah, I like the looks of that. Kind of cool when you're doing a flatbread, you have a little more freedom. You can go with square cuts, triangles. Let's check out the bottom. That beautiful color. Let's give it a try. I'm gonna stop right there. It's one of the tastiest things I've made in a while. And a bite for my wife behind the camera. So good and so easy to make. You could do that a number of different ways. I'm thinking ground sausage with something more traditional like a marinara, fresh basil on top. Wow. But think outside the box. Flatbread I was in the grocery store. They have those in rectangular. They have small rectangular. They have huge oval, small oval. So the world is your oyster. I'll get that recipe for barbecue chicken flatbread up at blackstoneproducts.com. Make sure you're checking out all my friends on the Blackstone Network. And until next time, this is Todd. I'm saying praise the Lord and pass the flatbread. The flatbread.